What's so cool about manufacturing HVAC components?
It's something that every house uses, which is cool. So every one of your house has some sort of HVAC component in it. So we're supplying to something that you guys may not see every day, but you use it every day. Every time you take a shower, every time your heat kicks on.
What's cool about manufacturing HVAC components is, you know, we make a quality product. It's really interesting, like the processes that we use. It's rewarding. It's like rewarding to start out from scratch and then have a completed product.
What kind of things do you make, really? Like, mostly every day?
The short answer is we make pipes, right? Mostly, the quickest thing that I can say is we make pipes that carry the carbon monoxide from your furnace, your water heater, or your boiler from inside your basement to, or your mechanical room in your house or in the apartment complex. What we make primarily is the system that takes that carbon monoxide and exhausts it, vents it into the atmosphere so that you can go about living and breathing, you know, in a healthy way.
Mike's one of our operators here. All right, you can kind of see he's using the hot weld gun right here. See what he's feeding into it? He's got the weld wire. And basically what that does is that fuses those two pieces together. And that's what we do on all these stations here. They all have a different weld gun on them. All right, and then we can take them and assemble a whole bunch of different, anything you could possibly imagine, we can make out of plastic here, all right?
Why should people start working here?
Ooh. That's a good one. It's just it's a good opportunity. We have a good culture, which is nice. You get to see, at the end of the day, you physically make something, which is cool. It's not just, you know, something off in space. Yeah, at the end of the day, you see what you've, from start to finish, a product that you've made.
Yeah, I think it's like a great opportunity for somebody to come in here, learn what we do, and to come play a role here.